Modernizing solutions and generating your services seamlessly are the things that ignites Microsoft Teams platform growth. That's why Microsoft developed several application templates that you can use within your organization for building your organization's custom solutions. App templates are production-ready apps for Microsoft Teams that are community-driven, open source, and available on GitHub. These templates contain instructions for deploying and installing applications for your organization and provides a ready-to-use app that you can install and begin using immediately, depending on your need. These are the features that comprise Microsoft Teams application templates. It has a plug-and-play experience and is no need of coding to deploy. It includes a production-ready code that recommends best practices around security and infrastructure to ensure continued conformance. It is customizable and extensible. An entire codebase and deployment scripts are provided so that you can easily customize or extend them to fit your unique needs. It also has a detailed documentation and support. All app templates are accompanied by end-to-end documentation on solution architecture to report any issues you encounter on GitHub. Here are several application templates you can use. Building Access Application Template. A Microsoft Power Platform-based app that supports the administration of building occupancy thresholds and social distancing norms by enabling facilities directors to manage, track, and report employee on-site presence. EPrescription's Application Template. A Power Apps-based app that enhances telemedicine and virtual care by automating the process of issuing e-prescriptions to patients. With this application, medical professionals can quickly review appointments, generate e-prescriptions, and send emails with e-prescription attachments to patients directly within the Teams platform. Crisis Communication Application Template. An application that provides a user-friendly experience to connect users with information about a crisis. With this application, you can quickly get updates on internal company news, get answers to frequently asked questions, and get access to important information like links and emergency contacts. And the Staff Check-ins Application Template. A Power App that provides a simple workflow where staff can check in with a photo, location, and other details directly from Microsoft Teams. With the app, managers or supervisors can get task updates or check-ins from employees on a schedule or an ad hoc basis. The staff check-in can include real-time location, photos, and notes. There are other application templates available that fits your organization's needs. Visit www.docs.microsoft.com and go to the Microsoft Teams App Templates page to know more. Start modernizing your operations today with Microsoft.